Hello everyone. So today let's see how to work DAVERAGE function in Excel. So basically this function examine a list of information and produces average. Basically the average we have already created a table which have a column name like product, frequency, brand, unit cost, box quantity, box in stock, value of stock. So the average unit cost of particular product of a particular brand we will find by the daverage function. So now I'm going to use the average function. So basically first of all we have to use, as we use the function using the equal sign. Okay, so the average cost of SSN, basically we have a brand name SSN, so we will get the d average of SSN brand. So the average cost of SSN brand, now use the formula or the function d average single parenthesis, then select the entire table and then use the comma, then select unit cost, comma, brand. You have to select the brand column name, then brand name like brand, and then brand name SSN. Close the parenthesis and press the enter button. Now as you can see 360.88 we got the average cost of SSN brand, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching this video.